Hello everyone, Ryan here. This video will be your full guide on Shopify collection page customization. We're going to start by understanding the importance of collections and then move on to creating your first collection and then wrap things up by displaying the collections on your storefront. So by the end of this video, you will not only have a well-organized store with custom collections, but you'll also know how to create a smooth and enjoyable shopping experience for your customers. So let's dive right in. And real quick, if you don't have an account yet, then the first step would be to create an account. You can navigate to our special link in the description box down below. Upon creating an account using it, you will be granted a 3-day free trial. And then if you choose to continue with Shopify, then you can get yourself a membership for only $1 for your first month. This is a great way to kickstart your e-commerce journey at no risk. Moving on, it's crucial to understand the significant role that collections play in shaping your customers' experience and ultimately the success of your Shopify store. The ultimate goal when setting up your store is to create a seamless, easy, and user-friendly experience for your customers. And collections play a significant role in helping you accomplish this by guiding your customers to find exactly what they're looking for. So the main thing that we will need to decide is how to organize your products into various categories. A simple example is that if you're creating a clothing store, you might want to separate your collections into men's, women's, or kids' clothing. If you're setting up a furniture store, you could split it into sofas, chairs, decor, etc. In my case, I'm going to be creating a clothing store and my collections will include men, women, or kids. Remember, you can always create more or less collections later on as your store grows and evolves. And now that we have a solid grasp of the importance of collections and how they can benefit us, let's dive into the process of creating our first collection. So to start, navigate to your Shopify dashboard and then click on the Products tab. From there, we want to select Collections from the submenu. I usually recommend starting by deleting the homepage collection, as in my opinion, it's not really needed. And then click on the Create Collection button so that we can get started. The first step in creating your collection is to give it a title that accurately reflects the products it will contain. In my example, I'm going to create a collection called Men. If you would like, you can also add a description to provide more context for your customers. But this is optional as collections are primarily a visual way to organize your products, so you don't want to have a clutter of text. Next, you will need to choose between two collection types, manual and automated. With a manual collection, you will be handpicking the products that you want to include, and this gives you complete control over the contents of your collection. Alternatively, an automated collection allows you to set specific criteria such as product tags or prices, and Shopify will automatically add matching products to the collection. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to focus on creating a manual collection to keep things simple and straightforward. Next, to ensure the potential customers can easily discover your collection through search engines like Google or Bing, it's essential to optimize your search engine listing. This listing is essentially a preview of your collection page that appears in the search results, and it plays a crucial role in attracting clicks and driving traffic to your store. So when editing your search engine listing, be sure to include your brand name, relevant keywords, and a brief, compelling description of your collection. This will not only help your collection rank higher in the search results, but also provides potential customers with a clear idea of what they can expect to find when they click through to your store. So for the collection I created, I might use a search engine listing like this: men's clothing followed by your brand name, and then high quality clothing for men. This title incorporates my brand name, the main keyword, which is the men clothing, and a brief description of the product's quality or the intended use. Another important thing that we have to incorporate is using a collection image. This is so important for capturing your customer's attention right off the bat. This image serves as the visual representation of your collection and is often the first thing that your customers will notice when browsing your store. So to make the most out of this opportunity, choose an image that accurately represents the products within your collection and captures the essence of the category that you're showcasing. A well-chosen collection image can pique your customers' interest, encourage them to click through, and ultimately get you more sales. So once you've selected the perfect image, click Save. And this takes us to the next step, which is populating our collection with the products. So assuming you already have some products added in your store, if you don't, then you would have to add some, of course. You would have to navigate to the Products tab right here and then click on Browse, or you can simply search for the products that you want. Check the boxes next to the products, and that's exactly how you would add multiple products to one collection at a time. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to save and your products will be added to the collection. You can also manage the collections on a particular product by navigating to the products page and then looking for the collections section on the right hand side. And there you can easily add or remove the product from specific collections, giving you full control over how your products are organized and displayed. And now that we have created our collection and filled it with relevant products, it's time to showcase this on our storefront, making it easy for your customers to discover the products. So to get started, go to the online store section on the left side of your Shopify dashboard, and then make sure that you're in the themes section. Click the customize button, and now we can open the theme editor, which is where we will be able to add or customize the collection displays. Once in the theme editor, scroll down and click on the add section button, and then select the collection list from the available options. This will create a new section on your storefront dedicated to showcasing your collections. From here, click on the newly created section and choose the collection that you want to display from the left-hand menu. And after making your selection, click select to add the collection to your storefront. If you have multiple collections you would like to display, you can continue to customize the layout of your collection list section by adjusting settings such as the heading, the font size, image ratio, number of collections to show, and the background color. This allows you to create a visually appealing and on-brand display that seamlessly integrates with the rest of your storefront design. So in my case, I would do these changes. For stores with a large number of collections, you may want to include a View All button, which directs customers to a dedicated page displaying all of your collections. And to enable this, simply check the View All box within your collection list section settings. Once you're satisfied with your collection display settings, hit the Save button and refresh your storefront to see your collections live and ready for your customers to explore. And with that, we will have reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to Shopify.